Where are they? I'm gonna go try those reeds right there since it's more open. Got one? Oh, yep, that's a snake. Now I see some bluegills here. Fish? No. I'm gonna go to those reeds right there because it looks like it's not as weeded out.
Oh, yeah.
Where those other boats were at.
Looks like pike.
Because I don't really see any beds over here either. Unless this is the bed. It's kind of open, but... I got one. Probably like a 2. No, probably like a 1. 1.5. Oh yeah, that's a 2. I don't know why they look smaller sometimes. Maybe because of their stripe.
You can't buy that at any other.
Why the...
Huh?
Why the Minimax not good?
This one's smaller.
Oh, came off. Must be a smaller guy. Oh!
Where's your lure?
It's gone. It bit it off.
No, that's more like a bass, right?
I don't know. It did a tap. Could have been a pike.
Hopefully that last
Oh, we can't take it right there. Where did it come from, dude?
I know,
It just came from the side.
So when I threw it over there's no room for a fish to come out. All the pool is like,
dude, they're probably in these grass.
Yeah, they're out there. Yes, they came out. I can see them coming out on that.
Cause this is wide open. I didn't even see him. All of a sudden, it got right here. He came from the side. So they're probably like shooting up from these grass that.
Supercar works too.
Yeah, you can't throw it here. Can't throw it here. Yeah, all these grass. They're probably hiding in this grass.
Would you like to flip?
Oh, I got one. That was small, dude. Yeah, you could probably flip, but that'll take so long, you know?
It's too tiring, right?
Yeah, because you have to flip so many flips just while you cover more ground.
Because when you're flipping, you're trying to find the fish. Here, the fish will find your chatterbait.
Yep. What?
It's awesome. They're not even striking that, but the concentration of fish here all the time.
Yeah, over here.
This is the eagle? There it is. Yep.
Ooh, damn, that's pretty big.
I know.
Oh, got one.
Yeah.
I think he was already on it. He was kind of swimming toward me. Small guy. Dude, they do fight really good though.
He's so mad. They're probably not used to being hooked this time.
I know. They're like, what the hell is going on? Usually when I eat something, I don't get pulled away. See, these little 1.5 pounders. Y'all fighting like y'all some 2-3 pounders. All right, Team Lure got another fish. Let's go. Oh, this guy's fat.
Oh, yeah.
Little big belly. This guy's feeding for sure. Thank you, sir. You better show your face. No, I'm just kidding.
Is there out?
Nope. Do it again. It was negative. Yep. What's the date?
24th. 24th of
May.
Saturday, May. They lock at 211, I think. What is it at?
210.
210.
Yep.
Dang it, that was not that.